Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. It's time for another fall DIY outdoor project. These steps have had it. They are 25 years old and they're kind of being eaten up. I don't know. The wood is deteriorating. So I'm going to replace it. My son and I, he said he would do it, but I want to help. So I went to the big box store, the blue one, and I got some plants. What do you call these? One by, I think they were 6 feet, and I had them cut. I measured what I needed, and I had them cut up to the size that I need. So we're gonna nail those in, and what I'm gonna do is put them on top. Oh, y'all see my feet? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put them, I'm not even gonna take these out. They fit right here in this lip, and I'm gonna put them, we're gonna take all this off and put them right in here. Then I'm gonna sand all this down, maybe, clean it off real good, and then I'll be staining the steps. Yeah, that's what they're looking like right now. They're a little hideous and they're working my nerves. So I'm gonna get it together. Stay tuned. All right, my son won't let me help him. He's doing this, so he's putting some holes in it. Pre-holes, I guess that's what you want to call it. Where he's gonna put the screws. Switch. Got one board up so far. This is the second one. So he's sticking them right in those pre-drills that he did. That's a smart tip that I didn't know about. Thought I knew some things, but I don't know it all. And the boards weren't quite long enough. We got a little inch lip right there, but that's okay. He pushed it all the way up to the top of the next one. It'll work just fine. Make it do what it do. Improvise and make it work. It's nice to have a little help around here. I love it. All right, moving on up. 2 more to do. And then I'll sand the steps or clean them off real good. I don't know if I'm gonna stain today, it's cold. I'm gonna restain this whole porch because look at this. We're gonna get it done? Okay, look at this. Yeah, it needs some work. We're gonna get it done. So it's gonna probably be a part 1, 2, and 3, or however it's gonna work out. We're gonna see. And this was 2 6-foot boards that I had them cut to size. And it was my fault because I told them by 4 inches, so they cut a little lip off of these.
Oh man!
I think they were 6 inches, and they cut 1.5 inches off. And I probably should have told them just cut a 1/2 inch off. So that's my ill measurements. But at least I got the length right.
Yeah, the length perfect.
Yeah, and then we just got that little lip underneath, which is okay.
Sorry, they give it a little new look. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, I forgot about that. I got those other long pieces that I had them cut off the bottom. Well, I hope y'all don't hear that music next door. They're playing some slow jams. I don't need this video to be non-monetized. Hopefully it's low enough and y'all can't hear it. But they're playing the jams. Hey, watch out now. Let me stop. Straight clown. Oh yeah. Skills.
This one you want down at the bottom?
Yep.
Just
Yep.
like
Since
that?
you got that cloth, since we got that carpet right there.
Sure.
Yep, that's fine. Oh yes. Okay. I need a long piece like this. I need one of those for mine. You know?
Shit. You can have this one. I'll get you another one. This one's too long.
It's too long? No, I like that.
Well, you need both.
To get in spots where I can't get in.
So you need both.
Because it does that. Look like it's doing the job to me. Huh?
I said I didn't got to being lazy. That's what it is.
Oh, is that what it is? Because it looked like it's doing the job to me. Uh-oh, drop one. Tight corner. All right, y'all, here we go so far, and it's looking so much better already. So my next step is to get these stairs cleaned off real good. And then we will be staining this with the same stain that I used for the shed in the back, which is this color here. This was stained some years ago. Sand it down a little bit. We'll be back after it's sanded. We clean it up and get ready to stain it. All right, he's working on the stain. Get it all done in one day.
How to build the porch with the staining.
It's looking good. It's looking real good. A hell of a lot better than it was. And I think that's really dark because it already had stain on it. The new wood didn't have no stain.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be back when he's done. Here it is. It's looking good. I kind of like the two-tone, or we might put another coat on there, but it's much better than it was. And this is it for today. We're going to work on the rails another day. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Tell me what you think. Appreciate you. Toodles. Proceed with caution.